Turn your Instagram passion into profit with these proven monetization strategies. First, let's talk about sponsored posts. This is where brands pay you to feature their products or services in your content to attract these opportunities. Build a strong niche, consistently create high-quality posts, and actively engage with your audience. Brands look for accounts with genuine engagement, not just follower counts. Next up is affiliate marketing. Here, you partner with brands and earn a commission on sales generated through your unique affiliate links. Share products you genuinely use and love, and be transparent about the affiliate relationship. This builds trust and encourages your followers to explore your recommendations. For those with their own offerings, selling your products is a powerful monetization route. This could be anything from physical goods like art or apparel to digital products like ebooks or presets. Utilize Instagram's shopping features to tag products directly in your posts, making it easy for followers to purchase. Don't underestimate the power of offering your services. If you have expertise in areas like social media management, graphic design, coaching, or consulting, use your Instagram presence to showcase your skills, share valuable insights, and attract clients. Use your bio and post captions to highlight your service offerings. Remember, consistent content creation, authentic engagement, and knowing your audience are key to unlocking all these monetization possibilities. Transform your influence and engagement into a profitable business venture and start generating income through your passion.